Let's talk about Stowabike 26 MTB V2 Folding Dual Suspension 18 SP Gears Mountain Bike White. Frame, 26 steel folding frame, fork, 26 suspension steel fork. Shock, spring shock, chain, KMC C30 chain, left shifter, 3-speed grip shifter, right shifter, run 6-speed grip shifter. Front derailleur, Sunrun FD-QD-35, rear derailleur, RDHG03, Freewheel, 6-speed, rims, single wall alloy. Tires, Wanda 261.95, pedals, NECO WP-391, brake, steel brakes, handlebar, steel handlebar with steel stem. Grips, black rubber, saddle, mountain bike saddle, kickstand, steel kickstand. Overall dimensions, 171 by 59 by 140 centimeters, 17.5 kilograms, size when folded, 97 by 32 by 75 centimeters. This bike is ideal for using around town, being lightweight and nippy. It did take a couple of weeks to break in though, the gears were stiff and the brake blocks too tight to the wheels. To fold the bike in half also took a bit of effort, as the center pin was also a bit stiff. However, a liberal spray of WD-40 and a regular run out and it's now very enjoyable to ride around on. One thing though, if you thinking of taking on a train, beware, if doesn't fold up like an actual folding bike but folds in half. Ideal to put in a shed though. Pretty good value for money overall. Easy to assemble though, as someone else said, you need to give it some WD-40 and unfold it a few times. It's very stiff to start with. Unlike another reviewer, I don't think it's light, in fact it's too heavy to carry any distance. But ideal for my purpose, which was to pack in a van. Very easy to ride, gears are set so it doesn't take much effort even up steep hills. I wanted a full-size folding bike and this fits the bill, at a very reasonable price. I recommend it. Bike I received had a puncture in the front tire.